popping up. That's pretty interesting. Let's watch this. I'll put MRO over here. Red side is quicker. Let's go ahead and switch to a 1 minute chart. Oh, they took out some big size there. Somewhere here. Didn't see the exact print, but it was somewhere up there. 40,000 right there. Where are we on a wider time frame? We are right on that area right there. Wow. Got down to 1273. There's a CLPS. It's a pretty tight range. Interesting. It's Macy's, or what was it? It was Gap. A Gap that was. Oh, ouch. Ouch. What is Tiger? Nothing. Nothing. There goes CLPS to lows. And oh, that's right. This is the one I couldn't get shares for. There's CLPS. Let's see how fast it drives to the 440s. This might just be a waste of time, actually. Yeah, so not a lot going on. It is 9:36 or 6 minutes in, and I have no desire to get involved in any of this. There's NIO coming in. Wow, what a great short that was up there. I mean, let's look at the daily. We're still heavy. Still heavy on the slightly larger picture, but we have come down a long way. I would be hesitant to just be hitting lows here. What was I noticing on the snap? On the daily, there's people getting trapped on the snap. That's not really in play though. There's people trapped on the daily on this XPEV. NIO continues to come in. more and more that was looking like a great short. Yeah, so with situations like this, I'm probably more interested in getting involved in any sort of retest rather than on the first try, because I'm just not reading this effectively right now. I don't see a setup on anything that I'm looking at. I think I'm gonna just take CLPS off. It's not moving. 37.65 is yesterday's lows. After coming down from 39, you have to imagine that it would bounce from there a little bit. What a weird Friday morning. Oh yeah, what is Snap doing? Let's add it over here, because there's some people trapped on the daily on this Snap. Below 55.93, and it's trapping several weeks worth. Just gonna that's the daily on Snap. Here comes that 50-60 cents level in NIO. But I am not stepping in front of that to buy, not with this setup. This appears to have been a consolidation at lows, but and another drive lower, but this is I just have this just weird feeling that we want to be long today. Yeah, look at that. But not on the snap. I am bearish on this snap because of the daily chart not being completely overextended yet. So a bounce on snap up to like 57 would be interesting to watch for a fade. NIO's just in no man's land. I don't have a play for this. There's no way to get involved here for me in a risk appropriate way. So unless it made a return to like 39, so that I would short that, but that seems quite unlikely. But this snap up at 50, what did I say? 57? Could tear your head off though. Some of those moves are pretty healthy. Probably 58 is safer. What is APA? Nothing. CLPS, GPS. Ugh. Yeah, I am not regretting my decision to sit on my hands here. Even like this, that is not a high probability play to get involved against this level. That's just a flimsy level at best. What's the market doing? We dropped on the drive. We were up in pre, dropped on the drive, consolidating in the middle. Undecisive at this point. Let's see them take another run at lows here on NIO. Wonder if this is like a bounce situation, because on the daily it's come down so far, and if there's buying down here and then the market reverses, well, what I would need to see in order to participate in that is actually a flush out of all the longs who are like, oh, this is the bottom. So I need to see it make new lows below 67 cents, see all those longs puke out, have it rebid, and then show some signs of strength, and then get long. Let's look at some other time frames just for reference. Yeah, I mean, I even like this, get people long here and then flush them out and then bring it back up. Market's ticking up. See, if we saw this wick everyone out to new lows and then rebid, I would get long against those lows. That's nice. That's a nice setup. Would love to see NIO put in a new low. cents. 70 cents. Yeah, I feel like this thing wants to go up today. But there is... Come on, make a new low. Here we go. If people bought this as a breakout, they're going to be dumping probably below 38, maybe even below low a day. Here we go. Here we go. Here's new lows on NIO. Let's watch what happens. Can we regain 70-cent bid? There was a bunch of stops. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. maybe that was the fade right there. And we're not going up. We do have more red here happening. I thought that this was a setup for a let's let this candle finish. Let's see what happens here. But maybe I'm wrong. Now we're consolidating at the lows. Snap did break down to new lows. That was the place. I just wasn't aggressive enough. Hmm. Yeah, there's a lot of selling here. Here's 70 cents approaching again. I'm seeing some buying happening here. 1,000 at 60. 60 regains the bid. 9,000 at 60. 60 loses. Nope, this thing's going down. This is not going up. I am just wrong on my thesis. This thing's heading south. It's heading south, but it is so oversold. And down here, hitting bids is just chasing with terrible risk reward. So, and it's 9:53, and it looks like I'm not going to be trading today. So, yeah, I really thought that this was going to be kind of a bottom and then a pop. Snap, it turns out it was that weak. That would have been an excellent short. As would have been 59 in NIO, as would have been this pop that immediately got stuffed. I just wasn't in the right mindset to look for more shorts today, I guess. Missed some opportunities. Well, gotta go back and study the tape. Okay, I'm gonna head off to work. Gonna leave this recording running and have to study this. Missed a lot of opportunity here. Whoa, big size down there. Big size down here at 37. But anyways, okay.